Welcome back guys, CryptoFi channel. Today I want to show you how we can track the insiders, the devs, the team using the Bubblemaps ton coins ecosystem. Let's dive in. Guys, I highly recommend you subscribe channel to find the playlist about Bubblemaps on-chain analytic. Watch a lot of tutorials, all of them will be useful. Today I want to show you how we can investigate just a brand new ecosystem in the Bubblemaps because they added just recently the ton chain investigation. So we have to create account on the Bubblemaps. Now it's version 2 in a beta, but you can create account totally for free. Find all chains here and find the ton. When we choose the ton, we can find the trending tokens. Usually it's some meme coins, which kind of big market capitalization now. And the future tokens. Future, I guess all of this. Main and major player in the ton ecosystem, Notcoin, Dox, Hamster, CATI, and I want to double check the Hamster, this one, Dox and the CATI, yes, and the Not. The main tokens. If you want to investigate some tokens which not in that list, you go to CoinGecko, find the chains, scroll it down and find the ton ecosystem, this one, ton. You can choose here. This one also was a popular, where that one, X Empire. So we open the page, scroll it down, copy the contract address, this one, go to the main page, paste the contract, or to type just stick a name, choose the token, and I think we will see some interesting stuff. So this is a way how you can track and copy the contracts on some tokens which not in that main list of trending tokens. And it's kind of weird because this wallet 43% of total supply in one hand, and usually guys it's a red flag, definitely the red flag, because on Bubblemaps you can track the data. The one bubble, it's one single wallet. So when we see, for example, on some basic explorer, just the holders, it's showing us just the amount of tokens in one hand, in one wallet, but with Bubblemaps, we can see the connections between the wallets, because even this one, there's like one big cluster. All of these wallets lines is some on-chain transfers. It's showing us all of these wallets. It can be the one person which spread the tokens between the how many wallets here? Here 3 addresses. Here was like 36 address. And imagine it's in USD value, almost $2 million. It's incredible. Still at this current price of that token, it's still almost 2 million value in USD. It's craziness. We can double check the magic nodes, how to work with the magic nodes. I already post the video. You can show the exchanges like this one, KuCoin, for example, and KuCoin also connected to this one. It's kind of weird. Here's some CoinEx. Even better, right? So when we turn on the CoinEx, we can see the distribution to the CoinEx, and from the CoinEx, send tokens to many other wallets. So it's kind of weird because 54 wallets connected together. All right, we turn on the magic nodes and can see even the worst picture. Guys, imagine 69% with 353 wallets just in one hand. It can be the group of people, it can be the devs, it can be, I don't know, some insiders. We can track also, it's really important to track how the token been distributed at the launch day. So we use the time travel option, choose some specific day on calendar, right? Or we can check the launch date. We press the launch date. So this token been launched October 24, and I can't say this is a fair launch. How it even possible? So 100% supply in one hand. This cluster also. What about the next day? 12. And take a look on the next day. This wallet send the tokens to other wallets. To how many wallets here? 37 wallets send it. Got it. What happened after the few days? Nothing. Let's say after the week. Another wallet connected. So step by step, guys, these insiders, distributed tokens between the many wallets, and hide their steps, but on chain we can track it, especially using the time travel and the magic nodes. Let's double check the hamster distribution at this current moment, and at the launch day. Also interesting. So what we can see here. Technically, when you see some token distributed like 15% in one hand and one wallet, it's definitely the red flag. 12%, definitely the red flag. Even here, this purple one, I guess it's a cluster. Yes, it's connected. So 2 wallets hold over than almost 9 million USD value, right? And almost 20% of total emission. It can't be the green flag, guys. No matter how high, how low, this token will pump or dump at any moment. With this current price for hamster, they in a profit like 15 million wallet. So it's just craziness to this wallets. All right, so let's double check the launch date of hamster, September 24. Also, 96%. Distributed to how many wallets? 36 wallets. Here was a Binance. So Binance not connected to this one. So it's kind of good. That's why, guys, it's definitely the red flag for the tokens like this one. Let's double check the docs. Current moment. This one wallet hold 7%. Also the red flag. This one. This is a cluster of wallets hold almost 4.5 million USD value, 9 addresses connected. This cluster, 42 wallets hold over than 3.4% of total supply. So it's definitely also can't be the green flag. It's a red flag. So this is how the token is distributed at the launch day. So 3 wallets, just an amazing. 60%, 30%, and 10%. It's just amazing. Just the 3 addresses. All right, so let's double check how it's distributed after the 2 weeks, for example. So you can see how that 3 wallets distribute inside of tokens to many other wallets, so they try to hide their steps. But here, a lot of green, this one marked green bubbles, less than 0.01%. But in general, it's 82 wallets connected together. So it's one big cluster. And guys, it's kind of definitely not a healthy distribution. So the healthy distribution, if, for example, we hide this cluster, right? And the bubbles looks not connected. In this case, yes, it can. We can call it like healthy distribution. CATI 75% in one cluster. 56 wallets hold almost a full emission of CATI. It's kind of weird at this present moment, guys. All right, so let's check the launch day. One single wallet. All right, let's double check after the 2 weeks. CATI. Same story. So let's say after the 2 months, the supply being distributed anyway, not fair. So 17%, 17%, 12%, and in total they anyway hold 50 wallets connected, hold 69% of total supply. This is one. It's retails who accumulate the token organically, and think everything okay with this token. Not okay. Not coin at this present moment. You can see the cluster like. Still at this present moment with this price, while the Notcoin dump it like crazy, the USD value of this cluster is 3.3 million USD, 8% distributed between the 35 addresses, and it's kind of red flag also. This one is 8%, 6 addresses, same volume. It's weird. It's weird. And the launch date of the Node coin, I guess it will be only the one wallet, right? So let's check after the, for example, 3 months. In August, only 24. This one, huge. Hold like 12%. This is OKX. And from OKX, you know, the tokens send it to all of this cluster. It's kind of weird. The Bybit also connected. It's kind of weird, definitely, guys. So be careful when you track some tokens, you know, all the time. Pay attention for the initial moment of distribution, right? The launch day, use the time travel. Track the magic nodes because it's showing you the untracked connections. And when you see this cluster, it can't be the organic move, right? Because all of that wallet is connected together, right? And if some wallet hold over then, I guess 10%, let's say, or 12% of total supply, it can't be the green flag, it's red flag of distribution. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, highly recommend you create an account on the Bubblemaps, use it totally for free. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.